I'm so sorry for the sweaty look, but it's just so hot in here, you can't imagine. So today I have something very interesting, and this is what can you do if you're afraid to teach your first class. Like, I've already some videos on emotional work that I will link here and here and here and here, like somewhere. But now this is a very cool exercise that you can do, which will like immediately help you. Like, this is something that really doesn't take too much of focusing and too much of emotional and mental strength. It will already work through your body without even you thinking too much. So this is like an immediate thing that you can always do to calm your body down and relax it. It's called tapping. Maybe you know it already. This time we will do a tapping exercise that really addresses your fear from teaching. And it's something where you will just follow me. I will say a sentence and then you will repeat the sentence, and then you will just trust me and let yourself be guided through it. Of course, this is the best when you just tailor-make it for somebody, and now I don't know where you're at, like what your actual fears are. And normally when I was a coach, I was coaching via phone, I had a very good connection. I knew what the person needed and I really felt like what was happening with them. But now you could be anybody in any situation. So we will just assume that you are a teacher who's afraid to teach and who has a particular mindset that is holding her back from just stepping into her grace and embrace who she is as a teacher. So you will tap. Tapping means something like this. You will use your fingers to tap specific parts of your body. And the body parts are here, like where the karate spot is, karate, with your nails, the shorter the better. And then later you will tap here. And you can tap with both hands. I will tap just with one hand to make it easier to see. And then here, then here, then here above the lips, then here under the lips, and then here on this spot, and then under the arm where your bra line would be normally, and then here on the very top of your head. And don't worry if you do this later for yourself and you skip a point, it's actually not so much what point it is. The method uses acupressure. The points are really Chinese acupressure points, but it also works if you don't use all the points or if you skip everything, because this tapping is also scientifically proven to just relax the body and bring yourself more into your body. It has a lot of scientific backing from all kinds of sciences, and a lot of people are using it. And whether you believe in energy points or not, you will see the effects are really incredible. So it's really amazing. Trust me and follow me now. The first thing is you will think about your worst fear, like the thing that is really on your mind where you think, "Ugh." So it might be, although I'm a loser teacher, I love and accept myself. So let's do it together. We do it 3 times. Although I'm a total loser at teaching, I love and accept myself. Although I'm losing at teaching, I love and accept myself. Although I'm a total loser at teaching, I love and accept myself. And then you go here and you think of all the thoughts that are racing through your mind and the feelings that you have that you don't like. I really am so afraid. I'm so afraid of my first class. I don't want to teach. I just want to stay at home. They make it so hard for me. Oh no, they will judge me. They will see that I can't dance. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. And then you repeat the same kind of tapping. Oh my God, I think I hate myself and I'm so ugly. I don't know what to do. Like every thought that comes to your mind, they will see that I don't know what to do. I really don't think that my class is good enough. Oh my God, I think I'm really not good enough. Actually, I'm a loser. I always knew it. And my parents always told me so. Oh my God, what can I do? I'm helpless. I don't know what to do. I hate it. How can I get out of this? But I will never amount to anything if I even can't teach the class. There are so many teachers. Like, how can they do it? Why can't I do it? I feel so bad. I don't know what to do. I really hate this situation. I'm afraid that I hate myself. And do I hate myself? Oh my God, I feel so bad. What can I do? What can I do? I'm helpless. I can't dance. I think I really can't dance. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. What can I do? I don't know what to do. I feel so bad. I feel like a loser. I don't know what to do. Oh my God, oh my God. I feel helpless. I just want to stay at home. And then a few rounds, you can just relax and just feel into your body how you feel. Because now we have taught you some things that you maybe didn't dare to think even, some subconscious fears that came up that you maybe were not aware of. Like, did you know that you hate yourself? You thought you're already over this. Like things come out of you, and while your body is relaxing, you allow yourself to think those evil thoughts and to get all those fears into the surface. So then we go into another round. I'm excited how your body feels now after the first round. Let me know in the comments. It's really valuable information. And now we go into the second round. Although I'm afraid of my first class, I love and accept myself. Although I'm afraid of my first class, I love and accept myself. Although I'm afraid of my first class, I love and accept myself. Oh my God, at the end, I'm responsible for myself, and whatever it is, I will do it. Other people have also mastered this. Let's see what comes out of it. I will just go there and I will do it. Whatever happens, maybe they will throw tomatoes at me, maybe they will just leave, maybe they will laugh at me, maybe nobody comes. Oh my God, if nobody comes, then I would be so alone. I don't know. Oh my God. But on the other hand, when nobody comes, then I can relax. And I don't have to teach, and then I can just feel miserable about myself. Oh well. But I want them to come. I would really love to be a successful teacher. I would love to share my love for dance. I would so much enjoy dance teaching. I would so much enjoy to be a dance teacher. To stand in front of the class and see the smiles of the girls. Like everything that I have mastered, I could just teach them. I know so much already. I have learned so much. Like, I have danced now for 2 years and my life has completely changed. It has completely changed. I'm not free of challenges. But I have really, really changed. And I feel so much better now. I want to teach. I really want to teach. I'm inspired, but I'm a little bit afraid. But whatever, I'm human. I'm sure other teachers also make mistakes and then they just get on with it. Yeah, when I think of it, I have seen some teachers being imperfect, but I still like them. Whatever it is, somebody has always started something. Like everybody had his first class. Everybody has started somewhere. I need to start somewhere. I just start somewhere. I just go there. I have everything prepared. And then I see what happens. I will just live through this. I will just be there, relax, and trust myself. Maybe I can do it. So usually in the second round, already something has shifted. So you will talk differently to yourself. Other ideas will pop up. Other parts of your personality will tell you different things. So let's just go with the flow and listen to your own voice. Like, what is your voice inside of you telling you. Listen to the dialogue and can go front and back. You know, maybe your second dialogue was not as positive as this one already was. Let's just close the eyes and feel into our body and really examine if something shifted. And whatever it is, you should do a third round and maybe 4, 5, 6, how many rounds you need until you feel really, really happy about the situation. So just stick with it. But whatever, if you have only time for 2 minutes, this tapping alone that you have already done will just relax your body. I hope you have felt it. But now we go further and try to really resolve the situation and just do how many rounds we have time for, and let's do it together. So, although I'm still afraid of teaching, I truly love and accept myself. Although I'm still nervous of teaching, I truly love and accept myself. Although I'm still nervous of teaching, I really love and accept myself. I feel a little bit excited. It's somehow a fear mixed with excitement. I think excitement is always a little bit like a fear. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. How long will it take for me to get used to this feeling? Maybe I will never get used to this feeling. But it feels already so much better. I'm really excited. Oh my God. I'm really looking forward to my first class. I have prepared my music, I feel really confident about it, and I already know what I want to do. I can't really imagine that the people will not love the class. I can't really imagine because I love it so much. I think I've picked the best music and I will go step by step. We'll just be guided by my playlist, and whatever happens, I'm just a human. I think I can do it. And if I'm a little shy, it's okay. Oh my God, I think it will be good. I might be really enjoying myself. I'm so excited. Oh my God, I think this is what I wanted. I feel so excited. Oh, I feel so good. Oh, my body feels so light. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I feel so good. Oh, I feel so good. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to my first class. Whatever it is, I will learn all my mistakes. Everything that happens to me, it will be step by step, step by step. I will master this like everything else in my life. It's a big step in my life, but it's something that I really want and I'm very excited about it. So, how do you feel now? How do you feel now? I'm very excited to hear from you if you enjoyed this exercise, and you can do this exercise about any topic, about any topic and any time. You can do it like when you're nervous somewhere in a meeting, you just get out and tap yourself a little bit in the bathroom, or it's an amazing exercise if you can't sleep at night. If you just wake up and you have a bad feeling, you just tap yourself through this. And for me, when I can't sleep, I just do this tapping. Sometimes I also do other emotional work stuff just to find interesting things that are like complicated for me, like that are my challenges, but this tapping is like the easiest tool to relax the body. So if you're really under a lot of pressure and very stressed and you just can't calm down, then this is like the #1 technique to relax your body. Because your body is an animal and it has certain things where it reacts to. For example, if you drink coffee, you will get excited, and if you do this tapping, you will be able to relax. So do this and then let me know in the comments. I'm super excited to know what you think about this. And I have experienced this method, I think, since 2011 or 12. And I have used it in my coaching. It was always a success, but of course I don't know if it works on video, and I'm super excited to hear from you if it works for you. Thank you so much for watching, and tell me in the comments what you think. If you find this valuable, share it with your friends. And if you want to become an Essence of Belly Dance teacher, I don't know when this video will be released. Maybe we are already sold out and everything, but if not, visit the homepage essencebellydance.com and maybe you want to join us. I would really love to see you there because it's always an amazing experience, a beautiful community, and I just love it. It's my favorite time of the year when I'm back in Berlin teaching my amazing Essence of Belly Dance teachers. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.